I'm doing the exercise, Kayla. Oh God. Oh, it's tiring, Kayla.
If you think that's tiring, you should try it with skates on a ring.
I know. I don't want to try that.
We go in circles.
I know.
We go swing, swing, swing.
I know. It gets tiring. It gets very tiring. Oh God. It's very, very, very tired.
Once I get the pads, I can go downhill.
And then, yeah, in the meantime, you could get to walk. You get to walk around. You get to walk up and down.
Squat down.
You get to walk. He is walking. Is yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yes. Huh?
My legs are pure muscle because of skating.
I know, baby. Yes.
Because of skating.
I know.
I want my own skating ring.
Oreo, are you making friends, Oreo? Oreo, baby.
I almost died.
You almost died. Dive or die? Don't say die, baby. Okay, come on, baby. Could go back this way. Are you okay? Be careful. No, no, no.
She's
Walk.
impossible.
I know it is. Walk. Walk over it. Walk right here. Or you could, okay, or you could go skate all the way over there and then come down.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it'd be nice for you, you know. So you have a skating, you have a skating part instead of all the way down walking, you know. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. You be careful with your feet. Don't hurt your feet with the wheels, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, be careful. I hear ya. That's why the blisters on here are normal. I got blisters. Blisters on here. He got confused. He's confused. Is that your mama, Oreo? Go get your mama. Get your mama, Oreo. Be careful. It looked like you was it looked like you was getting rolled like yeah.
Try to stop.
Yeah, yeah. Did it hurt?
Yeah.
Did you hurt?
Yeah.
Where at?
My arms.
Your arms? Oh God. Yeah, cause you was falling on them a lot.
Oh, really?
You don't want to try that again, all right?
It was fun.
Would you try it again?
Yeah.
And yeah, I know. But come on, baby. Be careful, okay? I know. Yes. I know. Yes, be careful, baby. You wanna get this to the car, get the skates off, and then be in the park a little bit?
No.
No? Why?
I don't like it.
No? Oh, no. Whatever. You wanna take the skates off and then relax a little bit in the park around?
Yeah.
Around? Yeah? Around?
Maybe.
Okay. Just relax. No, not to go in the park and play nothing. Just to relax, whatever. Yes. Look at him. Come on, Oreo.
The grass is wet.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
So now the pants and the sweater need to be washed.
Yes. Everything. Yes. Yes. If it gets too hard to walk, if it gets too hard to skate up here, you could always walk through the grass.
Yeah, no, that's impossible. Right there.
Yeah. Yeah. Right here is impossible, baby? I think so, right? Is it impossible? Yeah? Oh. Yeah, I think so. I think the board would have been nicer, right? You think so or no?
What?
The board, your skateboard.
No.
Oh no? I think the skates are fine, right? Your skates, yes. Come on, Oreo. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, my baby. My baby Oreo. Come on. He's having fun, yes.
No. Let's just go home.
Oh yeah? Okay. All right, we could do that. Yeah, I know. I hear you. It's getting nighttime anyway, still, right? Yeah, it feel like that when I was over there. As I'm walking, I feel like it's getting night. It's getting later and later, right? Do you see the difference that the day makes? Just from being on that corner, it was look very daytime. Now you're here, it looks very looks like going towards nighttime, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. To the grass? Okay. All right.
I'm not trying to die.
No. Come here, Oreo.
You know what?
Huh?
Let's go. I'm gonna cut through over here in the grass.
Okay.
And I'm gonna skate in the parking lot while I wait for you.
Yeah, okay, you do that. Let me go over here for a minute.
Stupidest thing ever, Dad. Oh wait. Forgot about that. Coming back.
Oh, you wanna do that? Yeah, okay. Ah, careful you don't get me. Don't get you dada.
I'm gonna
Yeah, you could reach the big one now. Yeah. Yes. Oh yeah. That's when I know I got a big baby now, right? Was it painful?
Yes.
Where? The arms?
My hands.
Your hands? Yeah. The hands becomes painful. Right? Oh. Okay. I'm done. We're done. Okay. Are you taking a shortcut then, Kayla?
What?
Are you coming here or are you taking a shortcut?
Oh, taking a shortcut.
You come here. No? Okay. Whatever. Yeah. It doesn't look too bad, maybe.
No, it feels too bad. It
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hear you. Because of your wheels are very tiny.
No, it's not because of that.
Because of what? Oh,
Grip.
oh, okay. I hear you. gotta finish it. Brian Smith. 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 Come on, Oreo. Come on, Oreo. Come on, baby. Come with Dada. He decided to follow you, huh? Yeah, that's good. He saw you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He came up the hill and saw me and then ran down the hill.
Yeah.
And then smelled something and then ran towards the
Towards you, yeah. Towards the same. You came to your mama. Yes. My baby. Come on, Oreo. Come on, baby.
Oreo, go to Dada.
It's okay. Come on, baby. Yes.
Okay, baby.
Yeah. Come on, Oreo. Come on, baby. Come on. He wants to come because there's cars coming. Right, baby? There's cars coming. Lots of cars coming. Yeah. That's my baby. That's my baby boy. Well, I open the door because you gotta put your shoes on, right? Okay.
I don't want to hide you.
I know you don't want to fall down, right? Okay. Yeah.
It is a dangerous one.
Yeah, danger zone. Danger zone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, everybody, don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share it, give it a like, click up here for more videos, up here for more videos, up here, everywhere around, somewhere around. Yes, I know, baby. Enjoy, share it, give it a like, make comments, let me know in your comments what do you think about this video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. Bye bye.